pleasure to welcome you to the graduation ceremony of the Data Science Capacity Building Initiative.
Today marks an important milestone, not only for the public professionals graduating today, but also for NISR and Rwanda broader national data ecosystem.
The Data Science Capacity Building Initiative is a professional training program initiated by the National Institute of Statistics of Rwanda, jointly designed and implemented in close collaboration with the African Institute for Mathematical Sciences to advance data science skills and promote evidence-based decision-making in Rwanda.
As a ministry, we've been on a journey of digital transformation. We've succeeded in many ways, making sure that infrastructure, devices are accessible, be it in education, healthcare, and many other services that we provide to the citizens. And in that journey, we've been able to accumulate quite a sizable amount of data that should be analyzed, that should be processed to give us capacity for decision making. And so this program is very strategic and timely because it allows us to build upon those efforts and investments to now have a government that is data-driven, and also to pave a path for our readiness to adopt emerging technologies, including AI.
We learned something in the universities, in the schools, but we are expected to solve problems of the current problems or future problems. So that mismatch is very big, particularly today. To compensate for that, training and skill upgrades are very important. That has been achieved today, actually.
Allow me first and foremost to congratulate all the program graduates for completing this intensive training in data science, artificial intelligence, and related competencies. Your dedication, discipline, and willingness to learn demonstrates a strong commitment to strengthening your institutions and advancing the use of data in a timely, reliable, and impactful way.
AI is a sense-making tool running on digitally captured information. In other words, in short, AI runs on data. So what I want to tell you today is on people like you, and you will go into government, you are all in government, you're going to go into the private sector. The burden on your shoulders is a lot heavier than you think. And so much of the integrity of our nation as Rwanda will depend on you. Go forth and be good custodians of that trust, because the future will depend on you.
This group was very motivated. It was very emotional for people like us. So your commitment is something that is not given. So if you are recommending someone for this training, the commitment should be at that level.
I've done a lot of trainings over the past 10 years in my life, but what I loved about this training is the fact that the participants worked on projects which are not just toy projects. These are projects coming from their institutions and organization. So in essence, we are giving them the skills and the tools, and they are able to use these skills on the project that they're working on in their institutions. And so I would like to encourage them to seek guidance from their managers, from management, to seek approvals, to seek resources so that they can finish these projects.
From a trainee's perspective, this initiative was not an easy program, and that is precisely what made it powerful. As trainees, we now understand how data can move from raw numbers to insight, from insight to policy, and from policy to impact. As trainees graduating today, we do so with gratitude and responsibility. We are ready to apply what we have learned to innovate ethically and to contribute meaningfully to Rwanda's data and statistical ecosystem.
Participating at the data science capacity building was a very good opportunity because we're able to learn more about data science, particularly on machine learning, large language models, and sometimes we're hearing about artificial intelligence to us, but we're not understanding where we can use it, how we can use it. So this was an opportunity to learn, and the event was not about only learning as a course, but we did it as a practical. So it was very challenging, very demanding, but we're happy that we were able to do it because we have learned a lot.